Hello, Colin. I just wanted to follow up with you on your Pearson access. I am actually logged into your BCS 205 course here. You can see I'm logged in as you. You should not have to create a Pearson account since this is an auto access course. You can go right into the textbook and other resources for Pearson. You can see Load Pearson eText in a new window. If you click on that, it should launch a new screen to give you access to the eText. So if you're still having issues accessing the Pearson eText, one thing I would recommend is using the Chrome browser. If you're having issues with Chrome accessing the eText or other materials, you can also try Firefox. But in any case, if you're still having any issues accessing Pearson, please let us know. Our office number is 447-8200, and hopefully you can get up and running here shortly. Thanks.